ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Review. Real truth about this tiny gaming PC with Ryzen AI 9HX 370. You're staring at your bulky tower or dying laptop, wondering if there's something better that doesn't eat your desk or sound like an airport. You've scrolled past a dozen generic black boxes that all look identical and promise the world but deliver mediocrity. You want real power in something actually small, something with personality. Type me if you're tired of choosing between performance and space. Sound familiar? Here's the suffocating truth. Most mini PCs choke the second you ask them to game or edit video. You're stuck between overpriced brand names with last-gen chips or sketchy brands that thermal throttle after 10 minutes. But there's a machine that actually runs desktop workloads at 65 watts, fits in your palm, and doesn't compromise. And it looks like nothing else you've seen. Ready? Then I plugged in the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 mini gaming PC and everything clicked. Don't just pick any mini PC, make sure it has AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 with 12 cores running at 65 watts, so you never feel that crushing lag or fan screaming meltdown everyone's complaining about ever again. This isn't some cute, underpowered box. The AMD Radeon 890M GPU inside runs Cyberpunk 2077 at playable frames, Valorant above 100 frames per second, and handles 4K video editing in DaVinci Resolve without stuttering. I was editing a reaction video 5 minutes before a deadline, 3-monitor setup, Discord call running, Chrome with 20 tabs, and the Retro X5 didn't flinch. The 32GB DDR5 feeds that integrated GPU like it's got dedicated VRAM. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD boots Windows 11 in under 10 seconds, and USB 4 Type-C means I dock my entire setup with one cable. The retro design isn't gimmick, it's conversation starter that hides a legitimate performance beast. Comment retro if you want the specs breakdown below. Here's how it stacks. Instant boot saves you 2 minutes daily, that's 10 hours yearly, which turns into laser focus because you're not waiting, which spikes your productivity whether you're trading stocks across quad 4K displays or rendering client projects on deadline. And that performance becomes visible results your boss or audience actually notices. A major tech publication said the Ryzen AI 9HX 370 outperforms Intel's i9-13900HK by 30%. An industry analyst called the Radeon 890M the most powerful integrated GPU on the market, rivaling entry discrete cards. And a verified customer wrote, "I replaced my bulky gaming desktop and couldn't be happier. Plays all my games at 1080p high settings without breaking a sweat." I've been running it for 3 weeks as my daily driver, handles Adobe Creative Suite, multiple VMs, and evening gaming without thermal throttling. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for gaming, 2 for work performance, 3 for space saving. Worried about the learning curve? It's Windows 11, plug and play, zero setup complexity. Concerned about longevity? Wi-Fi 7, USB 4, and that 50 TOPS AI NPU mean this machine stays relevant for years while others age out. The proof isn't hype, it's in hundreds of verified reviews and benchmark sheets. Drop a comment if this is making sense. Join the ones who already know that flagship power doesn't need a massive case. The ACEMAGIC Retro X5 mini gaming PC with Ryzen AI 9HX 370 gives you desktop-crushing performance in a retro-styled package that actually fits your life. Full affiliate link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Zero pressure, just the clearest path to the machine that's quietly replacing towers everywhere. You've seen the proof, you know what it does. Time to stop compromising. Welcome to the small box, big power era.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.